ZIM stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. ZIM Integrated Shipping Services is kind of consolidating, but not in a very optimistic way. To be very frank, it's about to clear the lows. I've done well over 38,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, more than anyone else in the space. I'm talking about the videos that I've done. Prove that you cannot fake. But still, as I'm just observing ZIM, it's still just bearish market for me. It's a bearish range. And people think that I'm just saying, yeah, this is going to be like this forever. It's seasonal, man. It's really just seasonal. You know, no way am I going to just short sell randomly here. Like I mentioned, it's only going to be bullish the moment I start seeing breaks above 1954. And if I don't, it's really nothing to pretty much go about it. You know, like there's going to be always like an opportunity in the market, but they're trying to force movements exactly with ZIM. Now, I know like your concern is like, yeah, it is a discounted price. Should I go? It depends the way you're trying to go about things. Is it going to be like short term in and out? Is it kind of longer term? We don't know. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free value, and I'll see you in the next one.